what's up guys? Well, welcome back. On my way to pick up my father-in-law for some trout fishing again, since it's still trout fishing is still hot, you know. So he saw my last video and he couldn't wait but to get out to the water. So I just got off work. It's 60 degrees and sunny, very beautiful weather, so I'm on my way to go pick him up, and then hopefully we can catch some fish. We're planning to keep some fish today because my father-in-law has a recipe for trout, so hopefully we can actually bring some fish home today. So J-Law. We got Dad out here with me. Dad, wave hi, Dad. Dad here with me out here today to catch some trout. So, man, I hope I don't ruin that first catch here, because this is the first catch. Okay. Trying to see if I can get him on film catching more. All right. Fish on. Yep, rainbow trout. Oh, nice size.
Yeah.
That's a good size. Yep. 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 We are keeping fish today. Okay, nice catch. Yep. We're keeping fish today because Dad's got a recipe for trouts. Oh, again. Dad's gonna limit out. All right. That's a good one. Yep, that's a good one. Good way to start the season. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah.
Yeah, let me get with that chair. Well, that's fire. Okay, no, to sai to nun chair, chana ko lim me la che sai ha yon nun le.
There you go.
Nè. Lucky law. Hello, bot tây tu rồi nữa. Ta tỏng gì cao.
Rainbow trout.
Ta tỏng gì cao này. Lại luôn. Nè.
Real nice fatty one.
Có tia cho một ký tổ có gió mà cá chấp lại chân chơi nó nè. Chân sau nó mà cá chỉ chân chơi cá chấp lại nhá, bây giờ chơi nó nè. Rồi chơi tao xé sao cho nó là nhá đi xé, đi nào sao đi tàu đi chơi đi xé nào sao. Ui dồi.
Tụi nó phải lo rõ.
Gặp to này, có bỏ một đây này.
Yeah, a little bit bigger. That's a bigger size. Yep. Nicer one.
chắc rồi tao chỉ tao bé tao hả
Me too.
có mua lại đồ tây tao một trăm một
Cho nó lọt rõ.
trăm một là cho nó cắt cho tao
Yep.
thế giờ mà mày có sự mà chua cho họ để cái cho nó
Cho cá nó xí hư nè. Cho trout nó nhìn su hay thế cho trout nó.
Nice.
Yeah.
That was fast.
Yeah. They're hungry.
I guess.
Yeah.
They must have just stopped it.
Yeah. Rainbow trout. Oh, oh no. These trouts are too slippery. Cho chị nuôi được tiền thôi, người chơi chị xích sành nuôi thôi. À, tôi thấy kilo rồi vậy. Tụi nó lọt trời thì tụi nó. Oh, cái bây giờ tụi nó cái gì ứng gạt tụi nó chứ? Yeah. All right. That's a nice one. All right, taking this last guy home. Yeah, it's frying the fish. And then these are the finished fish. Here we are, the finished trout that we caught today. Man, they look kind of big after you cook them. Okay, these are the 3 things that Dad's gonna add to the trout. Okay.
cái cho chấm cho món lạt đó là chấm món lạt mà tự nhiên bao á
Okay, cho nó get a taste of the Hmong way of making trout.
cho nó dòng món Âu Mỹ này chỉ mua này cho nó
Yeah, this is the secret recipe
this is
here.
secret
Yep.
cho nó Thái hoa cho nó Âu Mỹ hoa nè
Okay, so these are kind of similar
similar nè
in the way this you can find your local grocery store. Yeah.
Âu Mỹ ở nhà nó sao nè nhà này từ tổ quốc gia chính ngay 我一不要炸，我辣我那些好能够吃，就找多个装的，多叫这样的。你先搞熟了，你瞬间。
This is Dad's technique of marinating, well, marinating fish, but this is after the fish is cooked.
我去找个找到厉害个都我去那个找。这，来讲个就用高做些，这穿那个热好就不差么毛是呢，就不全部不差老呢，就那呢，咁吉林那出来已经到了呢，一起么不差有炒看叫你，对你话把懵咯，这样的。 cái xin chơi này cho bắt sao mà mỏ rong nó thế này nè chế cắt chế li nó món cho bắt sao nó rong nó thế này chế chúng vào bắt
Take out
sao
all the bones.
chế chẳng chế trout nó mà bắt sao mê thế này
Okay.
okay cho nên thế nào gì đó trout mê bằng lá thế tại cái trout mê
Yeah,
tao chết tôi
yeah. Almost every cast.
tao chết tôi
Alright, I'm gonna taste Dad's trout. These are the non-spicy ones.
For you.
Yeah, for me. I do eat a little bit of spice, but I'm not that good. Dang. I might have to catch more trout for Dad. Yeah, this is good. Alright, now Dad's making the spicy dish. The spicier the better. Alright,
chỉ có chân chế đấy
that's the spicy one.
nó một cái con nó có chặt chẽ nè
Good?
very good
Yeah.
con mong gọi
Just need sticky rice to go with it. That'll be the perfect combination.